Hello, my name is Brian Buscemi, and I am going to introduce you to a app called AI Math Solver. You can get it as an extension on your Chrome. Go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Math Solver. You can see there are many math solvers. Some are free, there's a paywall for most of them eventually, but so far, still using it for free. I've already installed mine, but this is where you would be installing it, and make sure you click your puzzle piece, make sure it's pinned, and it's this little swooshy thing, and it'll open up in whatever window you're at. There's three reasons I like this. It shows that the teacher is aware that there is AI that will solve any problem you have, any math problem, so the students beware. The second, it's like just a super interactive and complete answer key. It'll give you the answer, it'll say why, it'll give you all the reasons, and so it's just like an answer key in the back of a math textbook, although it's just a lot better. Third, it acts like a closed captioning, in my opinion. You can have this up on your screen while you're working on a problem in class on the board, and it's just another way for the students to digest the material. So there's three ways, let's get into it. There's three ways to enter in your data. You can write a problem, upload an image, or take a screenshot. We'll do two of them. First thing we'll do is we'll write a problem. Let's do just a basic quadratic formula. Y equals x squared minus 4. Boop, hit the arrow, generates, and then, as you can see, it takes a deep dive. It takes a real deep dive. But basically it does give you the, okay, very happy. It gives you the basics. It tells you it's a parabola. It kind of gives you the general shape of it. What I like about it is it doesn't actually graph it. It gives you all sorts of coordinates to graph it yourself, and it gives you the shape. It gives you all the variables, of course. It's, it's the symmetry, the intercepts, all that stuff. It does give you all the shapes and some coordinates of how you would graph it, but they don't actually graph it, and I kind of like that. It gives you a little bit of why it is the shape it is, because it's a square and it's quadratic, and as it's going through the variables. Anyway, I don't want to take a deep dive either, but it does a very thorough job. Let's go back, and we'll do a screenshot this time. Let's do geometry. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to a different screen, and we'll type in, I've already done it, geometry proof problems, and I found a good one here, or just a basic one. I don't know if remember proofs, but they're very boring, logical. So take a screenshot, and you can click on the page. You can just drag a little window. So we'll do proof number 1 and solve. They're very logical. You have to go step by step to show whatever you're proving. And this one says prove that 1 and 2 are complementary, which basically means that 1 and 2 equal 90 degrees. And so it gives your proofs. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is because of the sum of angles. This one is because of substitution. This one is because of subtraction. And then this one is basically because of definition. So there is your proof of a geometry problem. And that is it. I mean, then there's a lot more, obviously, but I like this. I think there is a paywall eventually, and I also like that about it, is that it's not just, a free math solver. AI Math Solver on the Chrome Web Store. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.